Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purva and today we are continuing on our last video. If you missed that, let me give you a quick recap. We showed the network status in a React application using Navigator. So I have two files. One is network.tsx, which I'm using in my home page, app.tsx, and I'm using a custom hook use Navigator online for the same. I'll not go through everything again. If you need that, please watch my previous video. It's attached in the link above. Today we are going to focus on the unit test. So I have pre-written the code. I'll just walk you through over that. For the custom hook, use Navigator online. I'm simply, first of all, of course, importing it in my test file. I'm using testing library from React. First thing I did was mocked use Navigator online. So basically what I'm doing is mocking our custom hook and testing if this mocked hook is returning correct value or not. I have two tests where one is checking the online status and other is checking the offline status. First I did is just.mock use Navigator online. Once I mocked it, I used the return value from just.mock to mock the value. In the first test, I'm mocking it as true. So mocked hook.mock return value as true. Now I'm using render hook from testing library React to test this hook. This is the syntax, render hook, and then return use Navigator online function from here. I'm checking result.current to be truthy because I'm setting the mock as true. The online status should be true. And the second test is mocking it as false. Again, I'm using render hook and the result should be false. I've already ran it. These are successful. So I'll not do it again. Second test I've written is for the network file where I'm using this Navigator online status. So again, similar functionality. So I have mocked use Navigator online, use the mock value over here. Two tests, one for checking the online status and one for checking the offline status. Before rendering, I am mocking the return value for mocked hook. For the first one, I have set it as true. And then I'm checking if I can find the online label in the screen. If you have some other code, you need to check for find for that text. In my case, I'm just finding a label. So I am checking for that label. In the second test, I'm looking for offline label, and you see both of these tests are successful with this custom hook with the mocked one. That's it for the current video. This was a small one. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.